Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate Facebook posting in 2025. So if you are tired of manually posting every single day, this tutorial is going to show you how to schedule, plan and automatically publish your posts using the Facebook's latest tools inside Meta Business Suite. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on business.facebook.com. Then you need to log in here with the help of your Facebook account. Here in the left hand side, you are going to see the option of selecting your Facebook page. So when you click on this drop down menu, it is going to show you your main profile, and it is also going to show you all of the pages available on your profile. So you will have to select that particular Facebook page on which you want to basically upload automatically. Now after selecting it, here in the left hand side as well, you will see the option of planner. So once you click on the option of planner, you are going to see this type of calendar view in front of you. It is going to basically show you all of your posts and your upcoming and your past posts. You can see what is scheduled here, what is published, and even you can plan for Instagram at the same time with the help of this section. Now here you will see the option of create post. Now it will ask whether you want to create a post, story, reel or ad. So simply select the option of create post. After that, you just have to simply select the Facebook feed, and here you just have to select the option of add and add the media which you want to basically upload on your page. After that, we have the option of posting the details. So this works as the description which you need to add here. Then we have the option of scheduling. So if you want to set a specific date and time, simply select this option, select the date and the time on which you want to basically schedule it. After that, simply click on the option of schedule here in the bottom, and there you go, you have successfully automated your Facebook post with the help of Facebook Meta Business Suite. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.